Do you have any perspective on something we could do that would be, useful to kind of help students just generally, as would it be doing a diagnostic test? I mean, that's the kind of thing that wouldn't be useful for the students to work on with you. Are there things that we should be offering that really aren't the purview of a tutor? So that's question one. And then question two has escaped me, but while you're answering that one, I'll come up with it.
Okay, sure. Yeah, thanks for that. That's a great question. I'm always looking to see how pre-law advisors and others can support students, especially in college. I think that offering proctored timed exams is very useful. And of course, like I said, I wouldn't take the results of those as being indicative of one's aptitude. But I think having that setting where it's closer to what students will actually experience on the actual test day, I think is extraordinarily useful, and opportunities to take those kinds of proctored LSATs are not as common as they could be. There are definitely some smartphone apps and YouTube videos that kind of simulate the experience, but having the physical experience of being in the room with the desks, with someone proctoring it, with the distractions that other test takers can bring if they're tapping their foot or tapping their pencil or sneezing or something like that, replicating those conditions is very useful. And I don't know to what extent you'll be able to do this, but once the LSAT, of course, is going digital later this year, being able to give students the experience of doing it on a tablet in that setting, I think could be really useful, especially for students who don't have their own tablet.